YP, watch up, walk on. It's your boy Singh. Enjoy the vlog. Good morning, kids. What's going on? It's your boy Zima, back with another banger video. Today I'm supposed to be going to Ochi, but I've decided I'm going to start a different type of vlog. I'm going to just vlog. I just woke up, so I'm going to be vlogging for the day. Hopefully my camera doesn't die, or when it dies, I just switch over to my phone. How you guys feel about the hair? My face looks so rough right now. Anyways. Alright, so I don't know if you guys actually believe me when I say I only wear, well, not really only, but I basically only wear white t-shirts. This is my t-shirt drawer. White t-shirts, black, gray. My things in my shirts. I'm supposed to be going to the Cove in Ochi. I'm supposed to be going with Perry Dream, or you know, the usual travel crew. We touring right now. You see me? How you guys feel about the hair? Some people say them hate it, some people say them don't like it. Some people say I look like a scammer. Some people say I look like an artist. I guess my artist mode is currently activated. Tell me what you guys think about the camera quality as well. How is it? Is it? Yeah? No? Yeah? No? Okay. Need to figure out what I'm doing to wear.
What do you have on your camera?
Say hi, Tony.
What?
Say hi, Perry.
Hi, you can't do my sister like that.
It's a bump for me. Oh my god. I love this for me. I did a major surgery last night trying to get rid of it, and
but that's why look how it look now.
No, it was worse. As he called me, he saw it. It's okay.
Was it that bad?
It was in your
Yeah,
face.
one planet in our planet.
Wow.
Planet.
Wow.
So your face is the galaxy.
I never said that. When I tell my sister face clean, I just that right there. So you see me?
It happens.
We all have those times, those moments.
It's gonna be a good day.
Facts. Yeah, we'll catch you guys back when I take this back up. Alright, we stop vehicles.
Oh wait. Ready?
It's Ariel and it's...
Where were you? Chilling, you know? You were chilling. You were chilling. I was like, wait, hold on.
Chugga.
Choo-choo!
Oh, the new car, you know?
I was like, you know? And I was cruising too. I was like,
cruising.
I was cruising. I was doing like 120.
Okay.
You know, 120. It was nothing, nothing major. You know?
So guys, we're out here on the highway.
Kind of.
In the middle of the highway. We're like, what, 10 minutes out from the end of the toll? Tops?
Well, with all that.
Yeah, 10 minutes out from out the toll. We took our liquor rest stop. We chilling. My hair still hearing. My eyes still seeing.
Did you do it?
Yeah. You like it? You don't like it?
At first, I was kind of stressed about it, but I think I got used to it.
They say it just takes some getting used to.
Yeah, but don't do it again.
I'm not gonna do it again though.
Alright, maybe. Okay, it's not bad. You just make your head up look flat.
So my head top isn't. Alright, what? Suppose I was bald though.
Yo, if your hair was longer though, and you could put it in like a
Bun? That style's preen, but
yeah.
my hair isn't long enough yet.
Yeah, if it wasn't that, yeah.
But I might corner it back next time.
Huh?
Like
I can't see that.
like this. Look no? Like
I know what you mean, I know. I can't see it.
People.
it's the light. Hold on, right up here. Or that.
It's still not good.
People.
Oh, wait.
No.
Yeah, the lighting. Right. People.
You see me? Always saying to the people.
No, we're just outside right now. What are we doing? Going to
My skin look clean though.
we're going to the beaches. With the beaches. Get it? Life is a beach, guys. Life is
You got that right.
yeah, so
Cut!
don't cut anymore. We're just telling how we're feeling.
That's not nice. Oh no, it has to be up so it does the double chin.
No man, show them the double chin.
Real life thing.
Stop now. Stop now.
Yes, sir. We reach outside.
My uniform.
Jano, you can't stand my friendship.
My ear
Clothes or no clothes.
Did everybody meet? Kevon, Jillian, this is Tanoya, Singh, Ariel, Dream.
Right. Are you guys okay with being on camera?
What the hell is that? Oh my god.
What's the name?
Why trouble it? Jano, leave the livestock alone. Oh. Leave them.
What?
You're messing with the
I wanted to see what it was.
Oh, right.
It was an earthworm.
100 million.
Right.
Right, so we're here at the beach right now. Ish, we kind of walking on
People,
up.
this is the uptown part of Sinan.
Uptown, you saw that road a while ago?
Well,
Don't down my road.
Rotty, them have dining area and everything now. Oh wow. They might take them time to come along.
Right, so it's 7:50 for the beach. It's not that bad. Kind of private. I mean, there are a lot of people here right now still. But like,
You know, it's grand.
Perry is a regular.
Right. Don't everyone.
Regular.
You want air last time? Oh, you're back, huh?
Donovan? Dunno. I think I'm gonna just have a travel week where I just post the 2 travel vlogs that I have. Cause we've been.
Oh, you're not putting them together?
No, they're 2 completely separate
I don't know
things.
how long them be.
Bro, they're like 20-30 minutes.
Oh.
So they're decent vlogs, guys. I hope you guys are enjoying these travel vlogs, cause this is not my usual content, but I'm willing to change for y'all. Ah, boy. Then we come disturb the peace. You know.
I'm gonna take
Kingston?
a tour of the crate if you don't want to sit down.
Right.
Right. You know what you see there?
Besties,
Oh, my back is
travel
hurting.
partner. Run to your back.
Huh?
Guys, Ariel needs a back massage.
Beans.
You can take it off now, yeah?
Cover it.
Right.
Cover it. Right. Out here by the water, guys. This is the beach. That we're at the Cove in Ocho Rios. Ocho Rios is such a nice place though. Like there's so much going on in such a small area. Oh, it's the water attacking me for me. Relax. But yeah, Ochi's a small place with so much to do, dog. But I don't think if you did live here, you don't want to come them places too. Like
That's the thing, you see, if you live in Ochi, where they
like Bob Marley Museum. When I see what
I've never
place
been there.
You've never been? So don't know, bro. You need to go to.
Why? That's a tourist.
So you're not a tourist. What are we doing right now? Aren't we being tourists right now? Right. We're exploring different parts of the country, the island. This Kingston don't have this. Never time.
Not even hell shop.
Yeah, hell should even have this cause for show you. But yo, suppose this is where like ships used to dock and them thing. They're like the most forward in and this. Bring in the ship.
Portland have them places.
Okay. Some more Portland trips. Alright, so guys, you hear that? We're going to spend a week traveling across Portland and St. Mary. Just get a villa somewhere over there for the week.
One
or
go
something.
west still and nigga.
No, we'd have to spend a solid
a weekend and
yeah.
then go west. Soon still, soon.
For summer.
Coming to you soon.
No, we need a light goal to go to Negril still because Negril is far out.
Who wants sponsor a weekend?
Right. So
I don't know, if we don't make it to Negril by my birthday, I'll probably.
Alright guys, so Ochi we have a Portland weekend
And Negril
and a
weekend.
Negril weekend.
Maybe a Monday for weekend.
I was gonna say Manchester, yeah. But that's kinda like a house party, bro. Like you
And
just
maybe
stay
a
home.
Blue Mountain.
I don't know about that part. It's the weekend in Blue Mountains.
Like one night we'll just go to the river and camp out there.
Which river?
Same Portland.
Okay. Secret river in Portland, that vlog out there. Right. We could I camp out?
Cook some food and
Mash up the place. Can do that for real for one night. So guys, 24 hours at the river challenge. Coming soon.
24 hours. No matter know if we catch wood fire.
Alright, I'll catch you guys back.
Man.
We're in the water.
Huh?
In the water.
Outside in the water.
Right.
Are you collecting
The hat?
The whole of the
The hat for me.
guys?
The whole of the sun.
Is you decide so you want to sit down still in a bro?
Jaja.
Jano charge.
I mean like Instagram. But where?
Right now? Right here.
Here.
Yeah guys, we're out here chilling. This is probably the first vlog this camera will ever be in water and it may be the last.
Yeah.
Because I'm not finna...
Like the iPhone.
Right. Right.
See that? You're not gonna know.
Yeah, that's why I'm holding it this way right now. It's the body for me. It's the body for me.
Huh?
It's the bodies for me. Bodies. Is it impossible to have attractive friends? Cause like whenever I post on Instagram with a female, y'all always assume I'm with them. Nah, they're just my friends, bro. Having attractive friends is fun. Like, having attractive friends is fine, bro. To me, I don't know about y'all. This video probably get copyright, so. DJ. The cars, bro, the cars, the cars. The garage, brother, the garage. Alright, so guys, this is the driveway, you see me? Hold on, let me clear up the driveway, hold on. So this is the driveway to the garage, you see me? So you park the big cars. Take the elevator upstairs. You see me?
I turn over Perry house again.
I'm at the casing. Yeah guys, this is my house so far. You know what I'm saying? But I have to make them know what's happening. Right? So when you hold on now. When you're driving, you see me? You park in the underground garage, right? I'm sober now, it's just vibes. Vibes. You see me? Underground garage, you see me? Then now you have the first level, which is the main level, which has the living room, the kitchen, the dining, you see me? Then you have the balcony for the master bedroom, you see me? Then up here you have the 2 rooms for the kids. And then over here, so you have the... This the pool, right. Wait, no, I have to finish the... You see me? I have to set it properly first, so that's the pool right there. Oh, yo, the water is so nice, guys, and the beach is so clean. Like, seaweed not tangling up my foot. It's not gonna drag me down and drown it, so we do be out here.
Hi, Singh's vlog.
Hi, Ando.
Right, Should I tell them?
Tell them what?
Singh proposed to me.
I told her to hold my ring.
For a lifetime.
I told her to hold my ring and shit. Because we're playing hand games.
The ring kind of big even size for it.
You know that you're not pinky perfect?
Your pinky?
Try it.
Bro, your pinky cut than more. What you call a finger here?
Your ring finger.
It's a marathon. The marathon continues.
Yeah, hold on the phone.
Think that it's waterproof.
It's good, man. We're outside and we're not going.
Oh, why would be going inside? Right backing up another truck.
It's good, man. Right, it's good.
It's good. The waters are getting watery. They're getting wet. The
water's getting wet.
The water get wet right
So
now.
wet.
What is it, Tonaya? Say that again.
The water is so wet.
The water get gallony.
It's so wet.
Liters and liters and
If I get liters, I get very liters. You know?
Just full of water.
You know?
Water.
It's too much water in one water. Though.
It's just a refill.
It's just
You
H2O.
know?
Very liquid.
Very liquid. Like it's gonna be H2O. I don't know something about
And oxygen.
Something about it.
Something about it.
Right.
Give me waves.
It's gonna be waves.
That's fine, that's fine. You see, I told you it was meant to inspire a kid. It was meant to inspire a kid. There's a kid. Hold on, let me.
Why when I say kid, it sounds like a goat?
That's what I'm saying. It don't sound
It's meant to inspire a kid.
It's a child. It's meant to inspire a child, a young human being. She's enjoying the house right now.
Feel good about yourself.
Of course.
They don't like the structure. The construction company did a very bad job.
Listen, this is.
She pays so much money and she's like
So much millions, so much millions.
She said this don't have 3 bathrooms.
But she has
I need 4. Did you say she's a squatter?
She's a squatter.
What do you mean she's a squatter?
Where was
No, she purchased the house. She purchased it. She purchased it.
You didn't want to pay her mortgage. She's so confused.
She's like, what?
She's like, who are these humans?
See? Mission accomplished. We inspired a child today. Suppose she turn a construction manager, you see me? And build a couple apartments.
an architect? She's going to
You
be
see
an
me?
architect.
Don't mash up the house again. Right.
Okay. Well, thank you. Oh, isn't she gorgeous? She's so cute. Yeah.
See, this is the new house owner. The pool masher charge.
She's so amused. Your turn. Your turn. She's standing there.
Hey. 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 Hey.
Pat, pat, pat. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna turn it over. Turn it over.
Don't mash up the pool enough. Put it right here, so. Right.
Pat, 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 pat. Come. Come, your turn. Pat, pat, pat. Oh. No, you have to pat. Pat, pat, pat. Pat.
She's like half Dutch, half
Alright,
English
take
still.
it up
So
now.
you moet erop slaan, Davy. Ga maar slaan.
Oh, where are you guys from?
Amsterdam, Holland.
Oh, nice.
Wait, so her first language is Dutch?
Well, she's been more in Jamaica than in Holland, so. But yeah, we speak mostly Dutch.
Oh, look. Pull it up. Look.
Box. Books. See? You gotta do the Jamaican way still. 2.5, yeah. Respect.
Look. Jana. Making kids build their castles, inspire them to have a good time. You only live once. Yes, sir. It's a Zima shirt for me. It's the shirt for me. I mean, look like a cuff.
You see me? You look like I get darker for you now.
I'm telling you, my skin change quick.
Oh, yes, you never have on my shirts. Light skin.
Where's my ring?
My ring?
Can you put it back, please?
So this is a divorce?
Can I get my ring, please?
What is supposed to be? You got on the wrong finger still.
Not you pussy.
Right. You better buy me still.
Nah, I'll get you a better one.
This? Where? No, it can't go on your other finger.
This is the one that fits the best.
That's why they have some huge ass fingers. You wanna come Rio for next weekend?
Rio?
No, not Rio, Royalton.
Where?
In the grill.
You bringing me?
You coming?
You paying for me?
You coming?
I could?
You could?
Guys? Royalton. Alright guys, so out here Plantation Smokehouse. Trying to get some food. I wanted a zinger. You wanted a... Alright.
I'm KFC with a nice review.
So let's see what happens. The music will get copyrighted, so I'll just go pause the vlog for a little. Mega drop it.
You think you are me next? You need to just on.
Alright.
Yeah. Alright. Alright.
No, the vegetable they put on it is disrespectful. It's disrespectful enough. Look at the vegetable.
It's garnish. You know gourmet? $1,000. $1,000. Ariel. So eat the food. You ordered the $900 sachets, you know?
Alright.
Alright guys, heading back to Kingston now. It was a good day, went to the beach, went to the smokehouse. Food was expensive, but still good vibes. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Close off the vlog now.
Sure.
In a curfew, on Netflix, if me ever lonely, my call me side chick. She jump in a bed while me count up the bricks. 9X Matic, extended clip, pull up in a D, brand new Beamer. Dog them the ramp, to squeeze up the trigger. You don't know, we are roll with the team. Girl them a say, whoever dress need. From Ferragamo to the Gucci. She love you, but she wanna roll with a G.